In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove image background in Photoshop. This is a quick one-click method that works great for many photos, especially when your subject stands out clearly from the background. I'll walk you through the setup and show you exactly where to find the feature so you can get clean results fast. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. You'll likely see your image sitting on a layer called background with a little padlock icon on it. That lock means the layer is protected and certain tools won't work until it's unlocked. To unlock it, simply click the padlock icon next to the layer. If you see a rename prompt, that's just Photoshop converting it into a regular layer. You can accept the default name and continue. Once the lock icon is gone, you're ready for the one-click removal. Next, make sure the Properties panel is visible. If you don't see it on the right side, go up to the top menu, choose Window, and then click Properties to open it. The Properties panel gives you quick access to several helpful options. Look for the section called Quick Actions. Inside that section, you'll find a button labeled Remove Background. With your image layer selected, click Remove Background. Photoshop will analyze the image, find the subject, and automatically create a layer mask that hides the background. It uses Adobe's Select Subject technology behind the scenes, so you'll usually get a strong starting point with edges that follow the shape of your subject. When it finishes, you'll notice a checkerboard pattern around your subject. That pattern indicates transparency, meaning the background is gone and your subject is isolated. A couple of tips to help you get the best results. High contrast photos where the subject is clearly separated from the background will generally produce a cleaner cutout. Well-lit images and higher resolutions also help the tool detect edges more accurately. If your image contains fine details like hair or fur, the one-click result can be impressively good, but extremely complex edges might still benefit from manual refinement later using selection tools. Also, if you don't see the Remove Background button, double-check that your layer is unlocked and that you have the Properties panel open, and that's it. The background is removed with a single click. You now have a transparent subject ready to drop into other designs, composites, or layouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.